What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a few NFT projects that are being built on Kusama and why they chose this platform over Cardano or even Solana. Let's get into it. But before I jump into the content, I just want to let you know I revamped my new website, bitcoinlockup.com, with new exclusive content and videos that will be there before they're on any other platform. Make sure to check it out. Let's go. Welcome back. So in some of our last videos, we talked about some more Polka projects and its impacts on the crypto ecosystem. We also covered Solana projects, Cosmos projects, and even dug deeper into NFTs. Today, I wanted to touch on RMRK, or remark as it's referred to, for the new NFT art Legos, which are programmable NFTs on the Kusama network. People are going crazy to own NFTs, digital non-fungible tokens stored on the blockchain, which represent digital assets on that chain. They record things like proof of ownership or collateral against a trade, collectible, or even a loan. The NFT market has exploded in 2021 with over $2 billion spent just in the first quarter of 2021 alone.
$1 million isn't exactly a lot of money these days. Virtucon alone makes over $9 billion a year.
Now, the Kusama Relay Chain Network has introduced complexity into NFTs by introducing what it calls art Legos on its remark, or RMRK NFT system. Data on the relay chain is simple structures, so the RMRK network does not use complex smart contracts. Instead, it writes notes representing each NFT onto blocks onto the chain using a concept called art Legos. Similar to colored bricks, these art Legos act as building blocks for NFTs to connect to each other, nest, and add the complexity of the initial primitive NFT. These new art Legos are programmable and potentially more valuable to the owner, as an advanced NFT or non-fungible token project has released their Kanaria bird NFT on this platform, ushering in the first wave of next-gen NFTs. The long-anticipated release of Kanaria and trading has been well met by the community and Bruno with his longtime vision, and has been able to achieve this with the remark standard on Kusama, on what many are trying to accomplish already on Ethereum. In March 2021, Remark launched a gamified initial collectible offering called Kanaria, pioneering an NFT crowdfunding approach that netted them a total of $6 million in limited edition egg NFT sales. Over 8,500 out of the 10,000 eggs were claimed by participants. With an innovative feature of on-chain emotes, owners and observers could drop reactions on those NFTs, influencing the look and feel, functionality, and inventory of birds that would hatch from these eggs. Starting in September of 2021, the eggs have hatched into advanced NFTs on the Kusama blockchain, Polkadot's value-bearing canary network. Remark NFTs are natively connected to every chain that connects to the Kusama relay chain. There are multi-chain by default.
I'm adaptable.
Remark will also have a smart contract-only version of its deployment, which will be suitable for non-modifiable blockchains like EVM or Ethereum virtual machines. Base chains that can only work using smart contracts and not complexities such as runtime upgrades. So how will this all work on Polkadot or even Ethereum? Well, the concept of money Legos is already familiar across the Ethereum network. There, different alt finance primitive items connect to make larger, more complex structures in the decentralized finance or DeFi movement. The Remark team is looking to build on its success with Kanaria and make the full Remark 2.0 standards available for adoption across all substrate-based ecosystems and later into EVM chains like Polygon and Moonriver. With powerful partnerships and some of the biggest parachains and candidates in the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems are already sealed. The Remark standards for NFTs 2.0 are poised to become the first unofficial shared runtime environment in the Polkadot ecosystem, allowing for seamless teleportation of non-fungible assets to and from any supportive chain natively and at almost zero cost. While the multi-chain evolvable nature of NFTs opens new unprecedented doors. Their avatar can also carry equipment, which is another NFT. So the NFT avatar can own other NFTs.
A dream within a dream. 2 levels. 3.
Essentially nesting parent/child NFTs and making these more complex with rendering or having the ability to perform actions. Games such as Kanaria recently launched on the initial collectible offering on the Kusama network show how the nested NFTs can actually work. The Kanaria offering is a set of limited edition NFTs that aim to fund the Remark team and its subsequent projects. NFTs can own other NFTs. In-game character itself, as its own NFT, can own a backpack that contains other NFTs, pretty deep. Each bit of digital ownership can all link together. They can have conditional rendering dependent on the platform hosted or the value of the NFT, and then they can be emoted on-chain. So what's coming next for Kusama and then ultimately Polkadot? The top Polkadot projects to watch ahead of the second batch of the Kusama parachain auctions are where I'm looking. While Ethereum is slowly transitioning to ETH 2.0, other blockchains such as Polkadot have been attracting developers and users into the ecosystem. Polkadot's low latency, high throughput network uses sharding mechanisms to facilitate faster and cheaper transactions, overcoming the issues that currently plague Ethereum. Here are a few of the projects that I've mentioned before in earlier videos, but here are their connection to Kusama. Number 1, Centrifuge. This is one of the most exciting Polkadot projects. Centrifuge is a decentralized asset financing protocol. Users can tokenize their most experimental assets such as NFTs, invoices, or even undiscovered assets and use them as collateral to access financing. The platform connects borrowers and lenders transparently and very cost effectively. Altair is Centrifuge's canary network for financing on Kusama. It's a bridge from Centrifuge to Kusama, allowing users to tokenize real-world assets and finance them on the Kusama network. 2 is Darwinia network. Darwinia is a fully decentralized Web3 cross-chain bridge hub built on Polkadot. Crab is its canary network on Kusama. Notably, Crab is the first blockchain on the Kusama ecosystem to support cross-chain smart contracts and NFTs. Darwinia facilitates the transfer of value and assets across multiple blockchains. The project focuses primarily on DeFi, NFTs, and gaming assets. It uses Interstellar product coding standard to tag and assign a single identifier ID to unique objects existing on different blockchains. 3, Polka Foundry. This is a one-stop hub for building DeFi and NFT dApps on the Polkadot ecosystem. Polkasmith is Polka Foundry's canary network on Kusama, enabling developers to create frictionless and borderless NFT and DeFi apps. It offers a bunch of tools, features, and services for dApp builders. Polka Foundry is compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, enabling users to seamlessly port their Ethereum-based applications to Polka Foundry without worrying about code changes. So, summing this all up, we all know that NFTs have been dominating the entire space lately. NFTs certainly have the ability to become useful in a wider range of use cases rather than just being a single-use token. Nested and complex NFTs are certainly going to transform gamification as more and more complexity is added to the feature set. Rather than your NFT being an expensive, dust-gathering digital JPEG, your programmable NFT could be so much more, and that's the big stuff. Most people don't realize this, but this network is the proving ground to gain access to one of Polkadot's coveted parachain slots. Are you paying attention to Kusama? Expect chaos.
Introduce a little anarchy. Upset the established order, and everything becomes chaos.
You can learn more about this specific project and the upcoming Remark token at remark.app website. So what do you guys think about this one? You maybe gonna check out KSM or RMRK? Let me know in the comments. And then click here in the top right corner to see my video where I talk about celebrities working with Vitalik on NFTs. I'll see you guys in that video now. Crypto Renegade out.